Hello guys! In today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best air fryer toaster ovens available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart TOA65 Digital Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This is our top choice for a countertop oven that can also air fry. Everything we fried cooked up brown and crispy, including batter fried chicken that came out as crunchy as those fast food wings and tenders that come in a bucket. Bread toasted exceptionally evenly and matched the shade we selected from pale but dry to dark but not black. When baking, we got great results when we reduced the time and oven temperature to prevent overbrowning. The digital Cuisinart is among the more expensive air fryer toaster ovens on the market, but it's handsome and has digital controls with pre-programmed settings for air frying. For bacon pizza, there's an automatic preheat. No preheating is required for air frying. This model isn't as wide as a typical toaster oven, so it won't take up as much countertop space. While it is taller, it will fit under a standard cabinet. Despite its relatively compact size, it's large enough to accommodate 3 pounds of fries, 6 slices of bread, and a 4-pound roast chicken. With a low setting for slow cooking and braising, as well as dehydrating and proofing modes, it gives a lot of versatility for the money. The interior has a non-stick coating and the air fryer basket and baking pan can be tossed in the dishwasher. Cuisinart provides a helpful manual complete with cooking charts and appealing recipes, as well as a quick reference guide that stores in a slot in the bottom of the oven so it's easy to find when needed. What we like: foods come out crispy, toasts evenly, digital controls, non-stick interior. What we don't like: baking requires time and temperature adjustments. Number 2. Germia Digital Stainless Steel Air Fryer Oven. Although the Germia doesn't look upscale, it sells for a great price for a product with the dual functionality of an air fryer and a toaster oven. Its unique French door style gives you easy access to the oven. Foods like frozen French fries and chicken nuggets cook up brown and crispy. However, with homemade recipes, you'll see less even coloring and get a lighter crunch. The Germia really excels at toasting bread and turned out a crisp crusted pizza. Yet, it was only serviceable at baking biscuits, browning them unevenly on top and barely at all on the bottom. It broiled chicken breasts quickly but didn't give them much color. Even at this low price, you get a digital control panel with automatic programs. All of the accessories are dishwasher safe, but as the baking pan and crumb tray are aluminum, they may discolor. With the air fryer oven, Germia now includes a recipe book with very appealing recipes and comprehensive cooking charts. What we like: good at air frying, excels at toasting, easy to access and check on food. What we don't like: generic design, manual doesn't give enough details. Number 3. Breville BOV900 BSS The Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. You pay top dollar for the handsome brushed stainless steel Breville Smart Oven Air, but you get a state-of-the-art toaster oven in addition to an excellent air fryer, which consistently cooks up French fries and chicken nuggets that taste fried. Although it's large even by toaster oven standards, it can truly replace your oven. Breville claims it can even roast a 14-pound turkey. Plus, it can proof bread, dehydrate, and slow cook. The digital controls are intuitive to program, and there's a bright oven light. I do have one major quibble with this product. The manual doesn't contain any recommendations for what, how much, or how long to cook various foods. This may not be a problem for baking or roasting, but if you're new to air frying, you're on your own as you're getting started. Also, keep in mind all of the parts require hand washing. What we like: it's an air fryer, toaster, and countertop oven. Has digital controls. Foods come out crispy. What we don't like: large, manual isn't helpful. Parts aren't dishwasher safe. Number 4. Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 Smart XL Pro Air Fry Oven DT201. Although pricey, the Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 XL Pro Air Fry Oven DT201 is an exceptionally well-designed and versatile appliance. The digital controls and readout are situated on the handle, where they're right at eye level and very easy to see and read. It also means the size of the product is the same size as the oven cavity, which gives enough space to toast 9 slices of bread, roast a 5-pound chicken, or bake 2 trays of cookies at once. 2 oven racks are also included. When selecting a function on the control panel, it tells you which rack position to use. What makes this Ninja smart is a thermometer that plugs into the unit for automatically cooking to precise temperatures, so a beef tenderloin will always come out medium rare and a chicken will never be undercooked. The Ninja gave us evenly toasted bread, even when we loaded it up to capacity. A 12-inch pizza and a batch of biscuits baked to perfection in the time recommended on the package. On air fry mode, it browned and crisped both homemade and frozen chicken nuggets and French fries to a light golden brown. Once a cooking mode is selected, the Ninja automatically goes into a short preheat mode and beeps when it's time to place food in the oven. Not only is this product large, it's heavy. That means it requires a good chunk of room on the countertop, and once in place, it would be easy to move around. The oven racks and air fryer basket can be cleaned in the dishwasher. With the product comes an extremely thorough owner's guide as well as a cookbook that includes charts, recipes, and detailed instructions for multi-rack cooking. Number 5. Instant Pot Omni Plus 20 QT Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. If you're looking for a large countertop oven that can also toast and air fry, the Instant Omni Plus multi-use toaster oven will fill the bill. It roasts an incredibly crispy chicken on a rotisserie but also toasts bread evenly. It competes with the best of the air fryers at making French fries. Just note that toasted bread and bagels tend to come out a little lighter than the selected setting, and baked goods, like rolls and pizza, emerge a little darker, so you'll have to fine-tune the cooking times. The oven is beautifully designed with electronic controls that are intuitive to use and very easy to read. It has lots of settings including dehydrate and slow cook. For many functions and types of food, there are pre-programmed times and temperatures. The guide that comes with the Omni Plus gets you started, but for complete instructions, for example, when you want to use the rotisserie, you have to visit the company website. You can pop all the parts in the dishwasher for cleaning. Before buying the Omni Plus, make sure you have enough room on your countertop and under your cabinets to accommodate it, as well as storage space for all the accessories. What we like: even toasting, electronic controls, air fries, can use as rotisserie. What we don't like: takes up a lot of counter space.